everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 417 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this A2o Spectrum highlighter in the shade Rainbow Veil. And I am so excited to try this out because I have not tried out a rainbow or colorful highlighter yet. And so this is from a ShopMissA brand that normally isn't only $1, but this was on sale from $5 down to $1. So this is cruelty free and it's paraben free. And it's so pretty. I want to try, see if I can swatch like individual colors. Ooh, yeah. It has a kind of sticky texture to it. Wow, really pretty pigments though. Wow, these look so pretty. Swatch them. Oh, such a beautiful rainbow. Yeah, so each color can be picked up on its own. So if you just wanted a kind of pastel metallic version of any of these colors, whether for a highlighter or for an eyeshadow look or anything like that, you can just pick up that individual color. If you want to mix some colors and do like stripes, you can pick up in between some colors or pick up, let's see if I can do it, all of the colors at the same time. But so then it's all striped rainbow. Wow, I hadn't even really thought about that, but you could like create the coolest little rainbow stamp. Let's see if I can do that better. I'm gonna kind of wet my finger. I just used a makeup wipe. I'm gonna try and pick up a bunch of colors at the same time. Look at that. It's like very pigmented actually, all the colors at the same time. And now I'm gonna try and create a rainbow on my cheek. It worked. So yeah, I just created a rainbow. So you can see the pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, all separated. How cool is that? Now, I want to see what happens if I kind of were to mix the colors together. As I'm mixing them, it's turning into like a blue silver shade, which is actually more wearable than I expected. And this is actually sitting very nicely on my skin. Like this, you could create a more pinky orange. If I want to mix them, highlight, you could create a green yellow highlight. Like you can mix the colors together to get so many different looks. Wow, this is probably the most fun makeup product I've ever tried. Now I want to see if I take a fan brush and I just pick up all the colors. Oh, wow. So this is a very light fan brush. And that looks very subtle. It doesn't really look multicolored. It's kind of just looking silver. But it has nice reflection. Wow, so you can actually turn this into a very glowy, wearable highlighter, or you can turn it into a beautiful, rainbow, colorful, fun look. I am so impressed by this. Every color swatched beautiful, had great pigment. It actually applies so nicely onto the skin. It has beautiful glow, metallic reflection. Oh, I am so excited about this. I want to buy more of these so that I can give them as gifts because I just think this is such a fun product to have, and I'm going to be able to find tons of uses for this. I would love to know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or recommendations of ways that I should wear this, highly recommend picking this up while it's on sale too. Such a great deal. In my ShopMissA haul, which if you haven't seen that, I will link that video down below, I did pick up a blush version of this Spectrum palette. So I'm very excited to try that one out too, especially after finding out how much I really love this one. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.